Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add topics to your TikTok live stream. If you're going on live on TikTok, adding a topic to your live helps viewers understand. To get started, first you open the TikTok app on your device and make sure you are signed into your account already. And then next you need to tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen. So from here at the bottom again, there's this icon for this live. What you need to do is simply swipe across the recording option and select live. And after that, before starting your live, you can enter a title that clearly describes what you'll be streaming. So over here, select add a title. And over here, you can look for the option. You can simply choose the topic that best matches your live stream, gaming, music, beauty, or education. And you can select done in the top right. And that is it. And after that, you can go live. And that is how you can add a topic to your TikTok live stream. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.